love reading about naval history, so in the second video we fly over the southwest tip of the Algarve, passing over the Sagres Peninsula and relive one of our many sailing adventures on the Atlantic Ocean as we focus in on the historic Cape St. Vincent. Cape St. Vincent, or Cabo Vicente, Portugal's most southwesterly point, was once considered to be the end of the known world for the early Portuguese sailors. The Cape has witnessed many naval battles over the centuries, including the Battle of Cape St. Vincent in 1797, when the British fleet, under the Admiral Sir John Jervis, defeated a greatly superior Spanish fleet. I love reading about naval history, so you can imagine my excitement when we first sailed past these historic headlands on board our sailing yacht Blue Snapper on passage to Gibraltar in 1995. We had experienced some heavy weather on the 7-day passage from the UK, and it was a relief to have calmer waters as we sailed past Cabo Vicente, accompanied by a school of dolphins. The dolphins had been with us ever since the weather eased and Jan was in her element. It was difficult knowing where to look, the iconic headland or the dolphins. Apologies for the poor quality of the footage, but it brings back many happy memories, plus a few scary ones. Now 28 years later, courtesy of modern technology, we have the chance to see the Cabo and its lighthouse from the air in greater detail. Being a sailor, I have a special interest in lighthouses because when we started sailing, GPS was not available, and we plotted our course using charts and tide tables. The sight of a lighthouse, especially when sailing at night, was reassuring and allowed us to confirm our position at sea. The Vicente Lighthouse dominates the Cape and is equipped with a huge Fresnel lens, producing a single white flash every 5 seconds, with a range of 32 nautical miles. It guards one of the world's busiest shipping lanes and has the biggest optic of all Portuguese lighthouses. It was an essential landfall for sailors returning from Africa and the Americas. This area is known for its fantastic sunsets, and we stayed until dusk, allowing me to capture the moment the light came on.